Cows go moo all day long and love munching on grass. They have 4 tummies to help them eat. How cool is that? Cows give us yummy milk for our cereal and cheese. They love sunny days and chewing cud, like having a snack all day long. Sheep say baa and love to stick together in big fluffy groups. Their wool keeps them warm, and we use it to make cozy sweaters. Sheep enjoy munching on grass and love to nap under the sun. They're soft, fluffy, and super friendly. Geese go honk honk and love to swim in ponds. They have long necks and can be a little bit bossy, but they're super smart. Geese fly in a V shape when they travel and are great at sticking together. They love water, waddling around, and quacking with their friends. Chickens say cluck cluck and love to scratch the ground, looking for tasty bugs. They have fluffy feathers and lay eggs for us to enjoy. Chickens love to cluck together, and they run around the yard, flapping their wings, even though they can't fly very far. Horses go neigh and love to run fast across fields. They have strong legs and beautiful manes that blow in the wind. Horses enjoy eating hay and apples, and they are great friends to people. Galloping around makes them feel free and happy. Goats go maa and love to climb on rocks. They can eat almost anything, even tin cans, but don't try that at home. Goats have funny little beards and like to jump around. They give us milk, and they're always curious and playful. Pigs say oink oink and love to roll in the mud. It keeps them cool. They have cute little snouts and love eating tasty treats like fruits and veggies. Pigs are super smart and love to play. Even though they're messy, they're happy and friendly animals. Donkeys say hee-haw and are known for being strong and helpful. They love to carry things and can climb hills easily. Donkeys have long ears and love eating hay and carrots. They might be a little stubborn sometimes, but they're loyal and gentle friends. Ducks say quack quack and love to splash in the water. They have webbed feet that help them swim and shiny feathers that keep them dry. Ducks enjoy eating bugs and little plants, and they waddle around looking for their next adventure. Rabbits say hop hop and love to bounce around the garden. They have big ears and soft fluffy tails. Rabbits love munching on carrots and lettuce, and they're super fast when they run. They enjoy digging little burrows and making cozy homes underground. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun adventures.